Yo, what up, guys? Today we're playing on rain.gg. We got 1500 in the balance. Remember, guys, use code KATA. Go to deposit, type in KATA, hit apply. It'll put you into my 1K weekly leaderboard. I appreciate all the support that you guys are giving me. Yeah, let's get straight into it. I think what we're going to be doing is, I was thinking about doing some solo openings to see if we got some tickets heated. You know, last video, absolutely shit on. You know, there's insane tickets, just not for us, unfortunately. You know, we'll see what there is. We'll try 2 cases of the boy, Rye. Come on, man. Let's see it. Stay. Let's sell it. Let's do 4 is kind of expensive. Fuck it. Come on. It's a 5%. All we need to see is 5%. Let's get away from that. Let's try some 1%. I've actually hit this a couple times. Let me find it. Sorry. We'll do probably like 4 spins of this. So basically 100 coins. Wait, no, 4. What am I talking about? Never mind. I meant 5. We'll do 5. So here's 1. Okay. No 1%. We'll try again. Nothing. 3. Nothing. 4. Did I skip a number? I don't think so. We'll just play it down on 1,000. Come on. Okay, well, we didn't hit, unfortunately. Never seen before. Only by yours truly. You only see shit like this here. Never mind. All right. Maybe we can get lucky with 4 of these. 50 coins. Come on. Okay. Don't think my tickets are there, unfortunately. All right. I'm making the mistake of trying to do this. I think I'll try the fracture case. Get some luck going. Maybe we unbox a knife on here. Come on. Come on. Okay. Knife, please. Knife. One more. Last one. Oh, God, man. Let's do my boy Bonk's case, man. 100. Come on, Bonk. Take off fast mode just for you. Come on, Bonk. All right. The 10%. Come on. Okay. Come on. Yeah, no comment, bro. Literally no comment. How can I not win? That goes over, right? All right. I mean, we get the upgrader. That gives us another hit. Come on. Now just hit it. There we fucking go. Come on. Let's see a good 0.5 and up. Medusa, maybe. Come on. Dude, oh my God. It's our money back. One more. Come on. No, man. No. I'm just going to do a fossil. It's going to be my all-in and hope for a hit. Come on now, bro. I did fast mode. We can upgrade this 5x. We can do it one more time. Nope. All right, well. Gotta pray. Come on. Let's fucking hit this, bro. There's no way. No way. Come on. Wait. Hold on. Hold the fuck on. We might have brought it back. Might have just brought it back. I mean, it's not bad. It is not bad. I won't sit here and lie. It's. Let's go to cases. Let's go to fossil. And good luck. All right. We need a hero. I need a hero. That might hit. That might hit. Just like fucking that. Come on now, bro. Come the fuck on. Come on. Okay, that's money. That is actually almost money back. One more. We could sell. I spoiled it for myself. GG. One more. It already shows. Fuck, man. All right, well, that's it, guys. All right, guys, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Use code CATA. It'll put you into my 1K weekly leaderboard. I give back affiliate to you guys, 0.5%. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one, man. Take care.